In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a board to another board on Monday.com. If you need to reorganize your work and send content from one board into a different board, Monday.com makes that process pretty simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can complete the move smoothly without getting lost in the menu options. To get started, open the board you're currently working in. Once you're on the correct board, look for the three-dot menu on the board interface. This menu gives you access to additional actions and settings that aren't shown directly on the screen. Go ahead and click the three dots to open that menu. After the menu appears, find the option labeled Move Group and click on it. This is the action that allows you to transfer content out of the current board structure. If you're moving organized sections of work, this is the option you'll need. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct action, since Monday.com offers several similar menu choices. Next, from the options that appear, click Move to another board. This tells Monday.com that you don't just want to rearrange things within the current board, but instead send them to a completely different board. This is an important step, especially if you manage multiple boards for different teams, projects, or workflows. Now you'll be asked to choose a destination board. Select the board you want to move the content into. Be careful during this part and double check the board name before continuing. Choosing the right destination helps you avoid confusion later, especially if you have several boards with similar purposes or naming styles. Once you've selected the correct board, click Move Item to confirm the action. This final step completes the transfer and sends the selected content to the board you chose. And that's it. The content has now been moved from one board to another in Monday.com. As a quick tip, after the move is complete, it's a good idea to open the destination board and verify that everything appears where you expect it to. That way, you can make sure the transfer worked correctly and that your workflow stays organized. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently move content between boards on Monday.com.